Welcome to Cruise Auctions. I am Josh. Make sure you give us a like and a subscribe. We love sharing cars with you guys as we are car enthusiasts ourselves. We are in a beautiful 1961 Porsche 356 1600 Super. Those are a little bit more of a hot rod than your standard Porsche 356. They have a little bit of higher compression engine. We got a different cam, different cylinders, a little bit more power, a little bit more pep. The key is though, these Porsche 356s, these are the cars that started Porsche, got them going. They're basically a glorified, hot-rodded Volkswagen Beetle. And if it wasn't for the 356, we would not have the infamous Porsche 911. So a car like this is very, very important. And being in a beautifully restored condition with the numbers matching 1600 and in signal red, it looks great. And this one, it feels pretty good. That's one thing that's really fun with these 356s, is that they're basically little go-karts. You just throw them around, go rallying, have a ball. They're not going to be the fastest car, but that's not the purpose. These cars are about smiling ear to ear, looking at it, looking at those cute little bubbly fenders, and just having a warm heart. This particular 356, it has been in the same family for 63 years. That is serious longevity and adds to the prestige of this already great little Porsche. This one's a good one. If you want one, you better be at our auction Labor Day weekend, September 2nd through 5th. This car will be on offer for sale. Definitely check this out in person. It looks great. The restoration was done beautifully. We'll have a bunch other Porsches and other great European sports cars and some American sports cars coming through. So give us a like, give us a subscribe, and we will see you in Auburn, Indiana, September 2nd through 5th, Labor Day weekend.